So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 40-gallon Bradford White propane water heater. So here you can see right there, that's your serial number and your model number. And you can see that RG240, the 4 is for a 40, or 40 is for 40 gallon. And of course the X is for propane. So we're out here in the country, out in Clovis. Anyways, up top, what we gave you is some new plumbing up here. The existing valve we didn't replace because we might have to replace it because there's a little bit of water up there. We put a new valve on here because this guy was leaking the whole time, so we just put a valve on it so we can control the flow. And then of course brass nipple Falcon stainless steel connectors down to brass extensions. And like I say, we'll take a look at that. We got some water dribbling out of here, so want to make sure that's resolved before we go. Anyways, Falcon stainless steel connectors, they're 3/4 inch inside diameter, largest in the industry, down to brass extensions. Relief valves included with the water heater. Temperature and or pressure builds up, this will pop off and drain right down there over to the relief line. Upper third, we got the adjustable straps. Lower third, the adjustable straps. And then of course down there, brand new gas valve in the back, gas connector over to the controller. Right now it is set at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. B140, third degree burns 3 seconds. Infants and elderly 1 second. You're going to the hospital. So you can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water, so just be mindful of that. Anyways, we're going to take a look at that and see if we can get that to start dribbling up there at the existing valve, which is their valve. If we have to, we'll shut the whole site down and replace that. Outside of that, I will actually up top use a new vent. Sorry about that. Vent 90 at the bottom, vent 90 at the top. Piece of pipe. You can see there's asbestos vent up in there. So we just took a bunch of plumber's tape around the perimeter and tied it up to the ceiling bucket just to give this vent some support. And outside of that, this installation is done.